Howdy there, welcome to another episode. I'm your host, Victor Pitstop. Today we have Yusef's NC Miata. I finally get to experience what all the hype is about. The Miata owners go at each other left and right. The NA is the best, the NB is the best, the NC is the best, the ND is the best. Everyone's always fighting. It's a Miata civil war. Apparently the NC, even though it's a lard ass, is the best Miata overall. And, you know, I'll agree with him, but as an ND owner, I'm going to take my stand, and someday, when the aftermarket is right for the ND, we will reign supreme. If you like cars, and you like driving fast, and you like driving cars fast, then please think about subscribing and liking. I appreciate your support in advance. Thank you so much to those that are already here with me. Enjoy.
All right, it's time to check out the best Miata of all time, the Bodie Boy. Got Yusef's NC2, which is a lot of fun when you're riding passenger. I can only imagine how fun it is when you're driving it, and that's exactly what we're going to do. The seat's very far back. This is made for taller people. Wow. Let's Miata. I have driven this car before, but when it was on Walmart tires, and before all the mods Yusef had done to it. Oh my God. Whoa. Rip City. Wow. Yusef just got an alignment done, and this thing, I could already tell you, is a ridiculous weapon. I mean, it's not fast, but whoa, lordy. Oh, it actually oversteers now a little bit. That's what's up. Oh shit. This is loose. Holy crap, this is loose. Wow, that turn-in is extremely aggressive. Yusef likes extremely aggressive turn-in most of the time. He's a big fan of oversteer, like a lot of it. Oh, rip. Wow. I'm only making these grunts because it is just ripped up. Brakes are phenomenal. Wow. He's got, I think, the Hawk Enduro pads on here. It's not fast. Not fast in a straight line, but it feels like a go-kart. I will say, on center, with this, the initial bite and turn in, he has, I want to say, like 2.8 negative camber in the front, and the turn-ins, it's really darty. It's a little too darty for me. It's got some good speed wobbles. Oh, and you can dance. Oh, look at that. You can modulate and adjust, and it just pivots back. Very light inputs is what this car craves. Oof. A little sideways, just a little bit. This car is a totally different experience than the ND. Totally different. Still a Miata, just a totally different experience. Come on, buddy. There you go. A little bit of big corner push, but I think that was my fault. A little bit early on the brakes. Wasn't able to shift the weight up front. Very grippy. Car is obnoxiously grippy. Darty and grippy at the same time. A little bit of off throttle, on throttle, oversteer. You get a little bit on jab, and it'll rotate around a bit more. I'll say the fun characteristic of this car is still there, but this is definitely a way more serious Miata. Way serious. Like, this makes me want to like focus drive. Pay attention, bro. Yeah, very little inputs, and it's already darting that way. Getting used to it though. See how he just barrels into that corner over the crest and just absolutely dumpsters on the brakes because this car can take it. Oh, voice cracking. Yeah, this car requires you to be very smooth in it. It's a little bit tougher to heel and toe than the ND. The pedal seems a little bit spaced out, a little bit more than the ND. But man, this car grips almost like it has aero. It's crazy. I can say that now because I've been driving cars with aero recently. There is no drama. Like, it's just there. Like, boom, there you go. Before you blink, you're out of the corner. This is a good car. Wow, this is a good car. This is not for the faint of heart to drive, that's for sure. This is definitely a much tougher car to drive than a regular Miata is. But it's good because, again, it's very focused, it's very serious. But once you get this groove, man, this groove is fun. Yeah, I'm gonna call it after that. That's all right. Don't want to mess up all of his tires. Yeah, Yusef, this car rules. Totally different driving experience. Weird. Like, I could definitely feel that the wheelbase is just a touch longer and it's a bit wider. Like, you definitely feel that, but still very short wheelbase. Very much a crazy rotational car. You can definitely over input this car, so you got to be just right on your inputs, and it's gonna treat you well. Yeah, man, this thing's a little handling beast. Absolutely punches above its weight, which is saying a lot because, you know, the NC is a gigantic lard ass. This car is serious. Like, it's a serious car. Initial turn in is a little bit more darty than I like. Once I got used to it though, it's like very fine inputs and it's good.
Alrighty, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and call it there. Thank you so much for getting this far. Again, if you like driving cars and you like driving cars fast, please like and subscribe. I want to thank those who have flooded in here. I am so excited. We're almost at 1,000 subs. We're on the way. Otherwise, again, thank you so much for being here. Until next time, bye.